As you can see, we're in the height of fall here. Actually, we're at the tail end. A lot of leaves on the floor here, a lot of leaves. And today, we're gonna focus on this area. Welcome to All Wonky Vids and my off-grid dream project, where I have a little spot of land here in rural Virginia, where I'm gonna take it from uncleared forest and clear it out and try and make myself a shelter and turn this little spot into a home. Why don't you come along with me? Yeah, I've got my 2x6x8s and 2x6x12 foot boards here for the perimeter of what I'm gonna use as my foundation. So we're gonna go ahead and dig some posts. It's about 80 degrees out here today in Virginia, even though it's the end of October. So it's gonna be like the last 2 good days to get these posts dug. Dig in the dirt. So we'll go about it. Okay, that's the perimeter layout there. You've got the 8 foot 2x6s on the edges there, and then the 12 foot 2x6s on the front and the back. So now in these corners here, I'm just gonna put some rocks there for now, remove the wood. And then we are going to dig some posts. All right. Okay, yeah, and even on this first hole, I'm about maybe a foot down, that's it. But if you see here, there's like a little rock right there. So I've got to get the little bar and try and pry that thing out because it's messing up the angle of the hole. So we're gonna go do that. Sometimes you get some like nice pieces of quartz in here, so I don't want to totally destroy them and crumble them up. But yeah, that's what that just was. Okay, we got those 2 holes dug for those posts. And so we just got 2 more to dig. Right there. Okay, so got the holes dug, the little posts in them. We're gonna use this post as the one that I'm gonna level and make all the corners and stuff. Okay, folks, so after I tried to level out this post and then I put the boards here to kind of get my measurement, not entirely sure what happened, but someone didn't really put the boards in the right place, so I moved them around. But when I put the boards up like this and really have them like where they need to be, I do see that that one's not too bad, just a little bit over there. This one really wasn't too bad. Because like the main thing was I was supposed to maybe put this more to that side, but I didn't because I was just so close to the stump. So that moved this post back, which kind of moved everything back. Like this one wasn't too bad at first, but now because I had to move that one, I gotta move that. It's not too bad. All I really do is kind of break this stuff up with the bar to fill up the other hole, and then like it makes the whole digging part go by, you know, relatively easy. But I know where I need to be now. Gosh darn it. Let's get these holes dug. Man. Okay, so we are going to set and level this post first, because this is going to be the main corner. Everything looks good from where this is going to be out and down. So, yeah, this will be fine. Yeah, hear that stone in there? But that's gonna help. It's gonna help keep it up, keep the dirt strong. There's all these little rocks and stuff in here. You really don't need concrete for it. Okay, that's pretty level, so we're just gonna do the last tamp down and we should be good. Okay, here's a look at what we have done here already. And these are the two top posts, the back right and front right post. Front's going to be this part. And those are level. And that board is level. It was quite a bit. I had to really expand these holes to get the posts kind of level and just right. But now that these two are in, and I have my 90s now for sure, we can put these other posts in the right place. I might need to dig this one out a little bit. We're gonna put it where it needs to be and see where level is gonna be. And then I'll just go across to here and then there. And we should be done. Yeah, it's quite interesting. Doing this for the first time and the little things and tricks that I've had to do just to even get this part done. But now seeing what does and doesn't work and just making sure that you have the right tools. Or like, you know, kind of making them or improvising them to get the job done. So we're going to keep doing that, all right? This next board here, a 2x6x8, which is interesting. You know, we all know that 2x6 that's the original rough cut board that it would be from, not the 5.5 and 1.5 inches that it actually is. Maybe a little over 1.5, or maybe a little over 1.5, depending on where it's getting milled at. But yeah, we're gonna put this board straight. You know, as you can see, just like a little leveling of the boards, keeping that up, the post, and then leveling this board so that I can get this post in right where it's gonna need to be. So let's do that. Gonna move it over a little bit, but this is my first time, and practice makes, well, experience. Gonna work out just fine. And then I'll just have to cut these tops off when I get around to it. And now all the posts are set and level to where they need to be. All the boards are level right here in this little square. So this is a 12 by 8 foot square. It's going to be 96 feet. And yeah, excited how it turned out. I'm going to actually kind of stain this wood right now, because I know it might be a rough winter here in Virginia. Yeah, that'll be the next scene, but I'm glad this is done. It's a lot. Okay, we're just going to set these two 2x6 8-foot boards off these center posts that I put in this morning. So we'll level that out and nail that in. Okay, and we got those center boards in from the center posts, 2x6 8-foot boards, and we're in business. It feels really stable. Coming along quite nicely, folks. Building the dream off-grid. So, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and keep up with me on this little building project here, as well as adventures across the Blue Ridge area of Virginia. Go ahead and leave a comment if you've ever done anything like this, or if you got anything to say to me about me doing this stuff, because I actually really enjoy it. So, until then, be good to yourselves, be good to each other, and we'll see you on the next round. Peace. Okay, and this is pretty much the spot. Before winter sets in, this is probably going to be the last day of fall, because we got a storm coming. It's going to get colder tonight, and tomorrow it's going to get into the 40s in the evening and only like the 50s in the day. So out here in Virginia, all has fell, but here's the spot. Got it buttoned up a little bit, because I know the ground's about to get cold. Might be some wind, so I reinforced that thing. For sure. And yeah, at least the platform is done now. Got the little posts off. Tomorrow, well, I think it may be too late to stain, but tomorrow's supposed to rain, just a short one. But I'll definitely come back and stain the rest of it, just because this is the foundation next to the ground floor. But got most of it. Just one more little can and it'll be done, so I'll probably just get a big one at Lowe's tomorrow. Alright, but there's the spot. Thank you for watching, guys.